Dears, welcome to Saturday Dawn Quiz. Today's questions are about space. The first question: which planet spins the fastest in the solar system? So it is Jupiter. How many moons does Mars have? So Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. Olympus Mons, the solar system's largest volcano, towers some 16 miles, that is 3 times taller than Everest, above the surface of which planet? So it is above the Mars surface planet. In which direction the earth rotates around the sun? So earth rotates from west to east. That's why the sun, stars and the moon are felt to rise from east to west. Question number 5: what are exoplanets? So exoplanets are the planets outside our solar system. All the planets that are outside from our solar system are called exoplanets. Which planet in the solar system has the shortest day? So Jupiter has the shortest day, that is 9 hours 56 minutes a day. Question number 7: which planet has the longest day in the solar system? So Venus has the longest day, that is of 5832 hours day. Name all the terrestrial planets of the solar system. So the terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. How many moons does Pluto have? Pluto have 5 moons, but currently Pluto is not the part of our solar system. So 5 moons are Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos and Hydra. Question number 10 and the last question of today's Saturday Dawn quiz. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? So he was Neil Armstrong.